Hey, welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. Today we are going to be putting a key cylinder in Frankie. That will almost complete the one key swap, and that'd be rad to have just one key to carry for that car instead of two like most Fox buddies. So part of converting Frankie to the one key system, I'm going to have to replace the ignition cylinder. So I've already done the doors and the hatch. They're all the same now, and it is time now for, as I just said, the ignition cylinder. I've got the new one right here. Again, purchased this from Travis at Classic LEDs. He lives, I don't know, 20 minutes 30 minutes from here, and it's kind of handy, so anyway, this may be different on the airbag cars, but this is very similar on 79 to 89. I'll just kind of show you. We'll walk through it together. First thing we need to do is remove that bottom panel. It's kind of a little bit on there wonky anyway, so yeah. There are 3 screws that hold this in. They are of the Phillips variety. I don't even know if this even has the right screws in it. I think I just put back in whatever was in there when I bought this thing. I didn't really think too much about that until right now. Alright, more stuff's got to come off. I'll show you why in a second. Here. So I'm going to unplug this. It's like so. Alright, accessory position. Okay, so one click forward. We're going to get our pick and push. Can you see what I'm pushing? Right here. There's a little button. When you push that, pull straight out, like so. Alright, now that we got the old one out, we got to put a new key in the new cylinder and turn it also to the same spot. And then, so we're in the accessory spot there. Slide her in, come back, and we got to push the white button. We're in. For ding-a-ling, and we got it. Okay. Now we can go ahead and reassemble all this. We are all the way back together. There we go. I honestly don't have any clue how to do this glove box key. So number one, I gotta find where the heck I put it. And 2, I gotta tear it apart. So I got the glove box out of Frankie right now, and I'll just show you what it takes to get it out. There's a screw that holds it in there and there. And also, I don't know if those are needed to come out or not, but those were not even in there at all. So I'm in the process of, I'm gonna take these 3 screws out and see if we can access this tumbler right here. This is the new one. And I'll get those 3 screws out and bring you back in. All right, so those 3 screws, and those 3 screws, if they would have been in there, hold this panel on. I opened it up to find this laying in here though, and actually looks like it might even been glued in there again before too. But yeah, I don't know if that's part of the lock or not. So I'll disassemble this and have a look. So it's just these two screws, it appears. Confession time. I wasn't 100% sure how to get this out of there, and so I got a pick and I just pushed this bottom piece, that cylinder, but I just pushed this down and it slid right out. So to get this in, if I can do this one hand, just push that. She slides right in. And then it locks right there on the back. So to get that out, you just push that down and then it slides straight out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back together now, and we will see if that broken piece is necessary for this thing to lock. Woohoo, woohoo. All right, we lucked out. That's with it working. You see that pulling, you see the little thing pulling down. I'm gonna lock it now. Locking it slides that over, and then that does not move anymore. So we are good. I don't know what that thing does, but we don't need it. So I'll put this thing back together, and yeah, sweet. I went through my stash of screws and found some of those close enough ones. So that is now screwed down. I'm not going to worry too much about cleaning this because I like before and afters, and when I do the interior, it'll look even better to me if, you know, I clean that at the same time. Call me weird. That's the way I roll. All right, so it's back in. Let's have us a test. There it is, unlocked. Locked. Sweet. This is a pain in the butt to do when I'm not using my right hand, but anyway, you get the picture and I get the prize. So I'm going to put all my stuff back in the glove box and leave it unlocked like I always do. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you guys had a great week, and I hope I did too. By the time you see this, I will have just spent a week in Disneyland, so, you know, hopefully it went good. Take care, guys. Peace out. Catch you next time.